Hi, this is Jenny Jones, founder of My Retirement Exit. And when I'm out and about or I'm doing workshops and seminars, I do get a lot of questions about, the cost of delay. How much would it actually cost me if I waited till next year or waited until I paid off this one bill and then I'm going to start contributing to my 401k. What I wanted to do was just do a quick example of some of the things that we utilize here. This is a cost of delay calculator. So let's say you are 34 years old, right? You say, hey, listen, I have a retirement age of, I want to do at least 65. I said, okay, that's great. And it says, what I want to do is, I haven't really saved anything now, or saved a little bit, but what I want to do is save at least $250 a month on an annual basis. And let's put in a hypothetical rate of return of 8%. I think if you optimize your retirement portfolio, you should be able to get at least an annualized rate of return of about 8%. And again, I'm just using this as a hypothetical, right? So we want to calculate here. So now what we get here is you will have, at the beginning of retirement, you will have $370,000, right? So, but what'll happen is, and what I wanted to do is say, hey, if you started today, that's what you would have. But what if you waited 2 years from now, right? So we'll put 2 in here and then we'll calculate that. If you see the numbers here change, you will not have 370,000 anymore. You'll have 311,000. It's a big major difference, which means the cost of delay could cost you as much as 58,000 or an annual salary if you waited 2 years just by putting $250 additional a month together. You actually lose a year of a year's worth of salary. So what that actually means is you'd almost have to work an additional year just to make that salary back. And see how the numbers change, the power of the numbers. So let's say, hey, you know what, let me wait and let me show that to you again. I'm gonna put it back to 0. And as you see here, it costs you nothing if you started today. You'd still get your 370,000. But if you waited 2 years, it costs you about another year's salary. All right. So just a quick demo. Just wanted to show you the power of some of the things we're doing here and working with people on. Give us a call, myretirementexit.com or retirementcanstillhappen.com. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Deborah Turner, and I just attended Jenny Jones' class on Retirement Can Still Happen. If you're like me and you need one of those retirement classes for dummies, I highly recommend this class. He breaks it down, and you will walk away knowing that you got this.